Let me call next upon Professor Subba Toleti, Professor of Biological Sciences.
Respected Chairman, Chancellor, and the Vice Chancellor, dear parents, and then dear students. I am also just a month old joining this Sai University as a faculty. I was from Department of Atomic Energy, the Baba Atomic Research Center at Kalpakkam. Being basically a biologist, did my MSc in microbiology. I joined the department which is mostly dominated by engineers and physicists, and I was in the view that what is that a biologist can do there. But today, when I left the department, I can say that when you want to decommissioning a nuclear reactor, it means biology plays a major role. So up to that extent, the biology has the promise. And if you look at the deep sea biology or the astrobiology, they're still undiscovered, and then there is a lot of promise in these areas. And as the Chancellor was telling about 5 pillars of this university, I want to add 2 more pillars, the Chancellor himself and then the Vice Chancellor. Within a month I could able to envision this, because coming from a department which is one of the premier institutions in India, I'm glad that I'm at a place where I can my views and then also share my experiences among the students, because the work at Kalpakkam was interacting with physicists and engineers to convince them where actually biology plays a major role. So that's why actually I see that there is a lot of promise in the scope of area of biology. And then also like what Vice Chancellor was telling, that education is a never-ending process. 2 years back only I got my DSc from Periyar University in biotechnology. So that was my father's vision, that I should get the highest degree from the university. So that was one. It is achievable that if you are committed. So this way I feel that the students who joined the Sai University have a lot of opportunities and then interactions, and then I feel definitely they're going to excel in their walk of life, which they would like to envision. Like what, for example, I was also been told by my parents to take these kind of subjects, but to my children, I just gave them an idea what is that you want to do, you do it. But at the present children, they want to come and tell their parents, I want to do this. So I think this we need to, the kind of change in the generations, we need to respect it, and then I think that way we are going to develop very good citizens for this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Professor Subba just joined us on June 1, but I can tell you he's a man of action. In addition to a great teacher and researcher, he has already created partnerships and collaborations between Sai University and other top institutions in India in the biological and environmental sciences. And that is golden for our students. He's already taken this summer students who finished their first year who are interested in biological science. He's taking them on as interns and has taken them to a number of the labs in the region. There's a tremendous amount going on in this region in marine biology and in other important areas that are on the frontier of environmental science. So thank you.